and we are doing another arts and crafts video. Wow, another one. The next one is going to be baking. I'll give you a hint. So, today we are going to be doing DIY stickers. What you will need for this is a pencil, not Elmer's glue, but glue, tape, scissors, colored pencils or markers, a piece of paper, and something to sticker your stickers on. So I'm just using this lid, which I store my nom-noms, I don't know what they're called, munchkins. So the first step, you need to think something to draw. I'm just gonna do a heart. So draw a heart on your paper, any size you want. That's a long heart, and then just you can draw in the details with your pencil, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna color it right in. So I'm gonna do another heart because the other one is just weird. So I drawn another heart, and now I'm just gonna color it in. And this doesn't work. I tried it. So just color your item in, the thing that you drew in. It can be any shape, any size. You can draw anything you want. I'm just doing a simple little heart. And I'm just using two really pretty colors, pink and purple. And so that's a little heart that I just drew, yeah. And then so the tape, this is hard to explain. So basically you take your tape and you want to cover your thing that you drew completely in tape. Like this, so it's it has tape around it. And then you want to cut off the excess. It's hard to cut off tape. Okay. And then just cut out your thing that you drew. And some people find it easier to cut it out in a circle and then cut out the actual object. But I just like cutting it straight out. So there's my little heart. It's very cute. I really like it. So this is a 5-minute craft. This is not even 5 minutes. So if you do a bunch of them, it might take 20 minutes or something. But you want your adults, you want parents' permission, because these are permanent. So you glue them on. So you take your glue, and then you just, this is almost out. You just glue a little dot on the back, and then you stick it on the place you want it to go. And don't worry, this happens a lot. If the glue sort of squirts out, that is okay, because it happens mostly every time I use glue. So that is basically how you make DIY stickers. Most people have tape and glue and a pencil and some colored pencils and markers, scissors and a piece of paper. And then you could do this on whatever you want. A cup, a plant pot, a window. It's probably not the best idea. A bin, anything you want that really can hold glue. You could put it on your wall. Maybe you have an arts and crafts area that you might want to put it on. But this is just really a fun little thing to do at home. I'm trying to do a lot in arts and crafts. I've done a lot of arts and crafts in 2020 because of COVID. I've been quarantining, so I've been like art. But I hope you liked this little craft. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to get more videos. Bye.